In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or hide related list buttons in Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful tool for managing customer relationships, and customizing your view by tailoring the related list buttons can help streamline your workflow and make your data more accessible. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Salesforce. Once you're on the main interface, locate the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. A quick tip: this gear icon is your gateway to all settings related adjustments. Click on it, and from the drop down menu you'll need to select Advanced Setup. This will lead you to the backend settings where most of the customization happens. Next, you'll find yourself at a screen where the quick find box is prominently displayed. This is a handy search tool for navigating Salesforce's extensive system quickly. Simply type in Object Manager and select it from the results. The Object Manager is where you can view and edit all your objects, which essentially represent different areas of your business operations like accounts, opportunities, and more. With Object Manager open, you'll now choose the specific object you want to modify. For instance, if you're looking to adjust the settings for business accounts or tracking sales prospects, you might select Account or Opportunity. Click on the one you need, and this action will take you to that object's detailed page. On the left side of this page in the menu, you'll see a link labeled Page Layouts. Click it to proceed to the next step. Page layouts are crucial because they determine which fields and related lists appear to users, and they help you customize how information is presented. Now, from the list of available layouts, select the one you wish to modify. Remember, choosing the right layout is important because changes will only affect the layout you select, not others associated with the same object. Once you have your layout open, scroll down to the related list section. This part of the layout shows associated records and is ideal for customizing how related data is displayed. Within this section, look for the wrench icon next to the related list you aim to adjust. Click this icon to open the configuration options. Inside the configuration options, navigate to the Buttons tab. Here, you can really start tailoring your view to suit your needs. You'll see a list of standard and custom buttons. Check the boxes next to the buttons you want to see in your related list. This is how you show them in your interface. Conversely, uncheck the boxes for any buttons you want to remove, ensuring your screen remains uncluttered and relevant. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click OK to confirm your choices. Don't forget the final crucial step: click Save to apply all your changes to the layout. And there you have it, you've just customized your Salesforce view by adding or hiding related list buttons, ensuring a more streamlined and efficient user experience.